another unboxing. The package came yesterday, right? And I'm having a Shaverage. And the Shaverage today is Aspal. It's a Premier cider, an elegant extra dry cider with a light floral aroma. 6.8%. Good job, I've only got the one. So cheers guys, thanks for joining me. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. Right, here it is guys. Right, let's get into it. Oh, before I do actually, I just want to get something clear. This unboxing is the recent unboxings is nothing to do with my budget, because I've seen a couple of comments and I'll get to the comments. I promise you guys, I've been extremely busy the last few days. Mrs. B's parents, my in-laws, aren't too good, not in the best of health, and they can't get around so well. So after work, we've been going straight to their house. We're doing the shopping, the washing, we're doing the gardens and jobs around the house. So we're looking after them, but I will catch up with the comments. So I can't sit there and answer your comments. There's not enough hours in the day, and I apologise about that. But I will catch up. Just wanted to get that clear. The budget, I do have a budget. And I budget £40 a week. Because I've made sacrifices in my lifestyle to allow that, to free that £40 a week. I don't always spend it, and I save it up and then I get stuff. But these have nothing to do with my budget. For those of you who don't know, Mrs. B and I were involved in a car crash last February. No fault of ours. And if you haven't checked last Tuesday's video, I had my compensation check for the injuries I sustained. I have 3 broken ribs, muscle tissue damage on the right arm, whiplash and everything else. And I got my compensation check last week on Monday, and it cleared. I did mention that there'd be some shaving gear coming through, and that's what's paying for it. I can't afford all this. I'm not made of money. I just wanted to clear it up that this is nothing to do with my budget. It's all things on my wish list, and I've had the opportunity to treat myself with the car crash. And I've never shared this before with anybody. If this works, because I'm not computer minded or literate or anything like that, if this works, here's the actual crash off the dash cam. And I'll show a clip off my phone with the aftermath of the car crash for those of you that haven't seen it. So here's the clip.
Oh shit! Shit! Oh.
Yeah, exactly. So that's why I've treated myself. But we were all good, we survived. I don't know if you noticed, but I managed to just steer the car from a head on. And this is why I'm treating myself. It's nothing to do with my budget. There's no way I could afford all this with my budget. Invoice. Oh, talk about invoices and receipts. Scott, shaving with peg leg. I seen you comment. Your comment's still on the phone. It won't let me reply. And on my laptop, it's gone off the screen. I don't know where it's gone or what's happened. So don't think I'm ignoring you, because I wouldn't do that to you, Scott. Lots of foam in the sink. Oh, I didn't order them. I got 3 blades. What we got? New Treat double-edged blade. Exciting. Right, first razor. Ta-da! Razor. Oh, why's that scrolled down? Interesting. Something's scribbled out on the description of the razor. No, it is the razor I ordered. It's the Razorrock Lupo, guys. It is the Razorrock. I wanted this for such a lot. Look at the profile on that head. What a beautiful knurling handle. I haven't got this Razorrock handle. I've got near enough all of them, but this one I haven't got. Now this, where's it gone? This is is the marine grade 316L stainless steel construction, and the blade gap on this is 0.95. It's the Lupo 0.95 or the Lupo 95 SS. And I'm looking forward to that. That is beautiful, isn't it? 3-piece razor. What I like about the Razorrocks now, they come with the Razorrock, its own serial number and everything else. So yeah, excited to use that. Looking forward to it. This is the main one. This is the main one I've really been looking forward to. And do you recognise the box? It's a Blackland. Cheers, guys. Oh, while there's a cheers, Stuart George, happy belated birthday, mate. You kept that one quiet as well. You and Jay. All these birthdays. Happy birthday, mate. I hope you had a good day. It's the Blackland Blackbird Bay razor. Absolutely. And I got it in the open comb. I just fancied the open comb, and you can see the design there. Now the design is inspired by the iconic SR-71 Blackbird plane aircraft. It's a jet fighter. And it's 303 stainless steel. It's quite heavy. It comes in at 94 grams. And the handle length is 85 millimeters. Now on the open comb, the blade gap is 7.5 and it's classed as a mid-aggression. So yeah, really looking forward to using these, guys. Some exciting shaves coming up. Speaking of exciting shaves, I've got one coming up on Monday. 1 year anniversary on YouTube when I launched the channel. Look at that, guys. I love the machine marks on the head plate, head cap. It makes it unique because not one is the same. So I'm really looking forward to using these razors, guys. And I hope that video come up which lets you know how I came about to spend all this money. But yeah, really looking forward to it, guys. And it comes with blades. It comes with 5 blades. I don't know what they are. I think that my other Blackland, my Dart, came with 5 blades as well. I don't think there's anything written on them as well. Single wrapped. Oh, this has got writing on it. Persona, made in USA. Is it the Persona Blue? The Persona Red? Is it the Persona Med Prep? I don't know. If any of you guys know, please let me know in the comments, and keep your comments coming, guys. But I will catch up with the comments, I promise you. I've just been so busy. I'm tired. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to trying these. I I can't put it back in its box. God, it's such a tight packaging, great packaging on the Blackland. So there you go, guys. Another 2 razors. That's 3 razors in the last 2 days. I'll let you know now. I've ordered 2 extra plates, 2 plates for my Christopher Bradley carve. They're on the way. I've got another unboxing, hopefully within the next 10 days. I put quite a reasonable order to Phoenix Artisan Recruitment, so that's coming, and I put an order in as well to West Coast Shaving. So I've got that on the way as well. So yeah, I'm really excited to shave these. Thank you so much for joining me. If you're new to, I'm looking forward to trying these as well. I haven't got these, I've got treats but not them. Thank you so much for joining me. If you're new to the channel, thank you for joining me. Hit that subscribe button and leave a comment, and don't forget the thumbs up. I will see you guys on Monday for the 1 year anniversary shave, and I'll announce the 1 year anniversary giveaway. I know the razor I'm giving away, but I haven't made my mind up on soaps and everything else. I'm going to think about that. And then the week after, I'll announce the 800 subscriber giveaway as well. It'll probably be the same razor. So, but there is a razor in both giveaways. So yeah, so I'm really excited, and thanks a lot, guys. Thanks very much. I'll see you on Monday. Have a great Sunday, and stay safe. I can't wait to try this. I'll see you then, guys. Bye.